In this tutorial, you'll learn how to segment contacts with tags and filters in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Navigate to Contacts in the left sidebar to pull up your full contacts list. Now click on an existing contact to open up their detail view. Under the User Tags field, hit the plus button and type in a new tag, something like June 2026 leads, then press Enter to add it. Click Save to lock in that tag, and then navigate back to your main contacts list. At the top of the list, click the Filters button to open up the Filter panel. Select Created Date, set it to 7 days, and then hit Apply Filters to narrow things down. You'll see the contacts list update in real time, now showing only contacts created within the last 7 days. Click the checkbox in the top left to select all of them. Then in the menu that appears at the bottom, click More to reveal your bulk action options. Go ahead and apply that June 2026 leads tag you just created to all of the selected contacts. Hit Save and watch the list update in real time. Just like that, your changes are locked in. Navigate back to contacts and you'll see every change you just made right there on their profile. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.